Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Timothy in Tennessee on this Galaxy DX94 HP. Timothy got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment did the clarifier mod for you as well. Let's get right to it. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Got set at 5 watts. Now if you decide to run like a 6 or 8 pill someday, you'll have full adjustability. 100-watt slug, RF power all the way up, 30. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low to 60 bird average. 250-watt slug and peak. Low. 150 PEP. Alright, Timothy, it's ready to come to you, bud. Looking forward to it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.